Hi guys, we're at the doctor's office right now. We brought the kids for their physicals, and right now we're waiting for the doctor to get here so we can so they can check them, so we can get out of we can leave. So that's what we're doing right now. Daniel, stop playing with the hand sanitizer.
So let me see.
No, not really.
This is
Almost done.
Okay.
Daniel. We're all done. Guys, we are good to go. We're going home. We're gonna catch the bus to go. Yeah, we're on our way to catch our bus to go. I'm glad this appointment is done and we got this over with. That's Daniel and Daddy over there. We are here waiting for the bus. Daniel.
Yeah.
This bus, the first one is full. So we're gonna take the other one. Come here. We're going this one.
My chips.
Let's go all the way to the back. Someone coming. They got you some. No, like, sorry. They just send me Metro card now. It's expired, so.
Next stop, East Tuscan Street and Avenue B. Next stop, East Tuscan Street and Mott Street. This stop is East Tuscan
No, yo, what you want, yo?
Daniel.
bound F, number train. The next stop is Westport.
Daniel, let's go. Hey guys, we are back from the doctor's appointment, and don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? Hi guys, Jeffrey are here. It is Friday, and yes guys, I still have on the top I had on yesterday. I was about to make some. I'm gonna make some jollof, but then I just checked and I don't have enough onions. So I have to go down and get me some onions real quick. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the supermarket to get some onions, and then I will come home quick. And yeah, so I'm going there too. I'm going to get some onions right now. Guys, I am back. So I guess of course I'm not just gonna go and buy onions. I know there's this woman that's watching that will tease me. She's from the Netherlands. Anyway, this yeah, so I got this cashews. I love cashews, but this is like, I like this because it's like, it's not that much. So if you buy the whole cashews, like if you buy a big one, you might eat the whole thing. So I always just buy this one for snack on Friday. And then I got some carrot cake. I'm gonna make some eggs with this, and then for breakfast have my coffee and sit in my corner. I got my onions. This was $3.99, but if I had got it from Sam's Club, I would have got like a little bit bigger and more for $5.99. So next time I have to put it. And guys, look what I got. I got the Nutella cookies. I got this because when I was watching Ogum's series, I saw that her friend brought her this from when she traveled. So I was like, ooh, I'm a chocolate lover, so hey, let me find another snack. So yeah, so I was like, I bought this, but her friend bought her like the big ones, but me, it's like, let me buy the small one. No, I don't want trouble, because the way I love chocolate, I can eat the whole bag. You didn't hear me say that. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna make my I'm gonna make one load laundry, and then yeah, do a little washing, and then from there I'll make my coffee and sit and relax. All right guys, let me hurry up and do this laundry and sit and make my breakfast. No, and start making my breakfast. Alrighty, careful you are here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, thank you. That's what I got. All right, guys, I'm gonna make my breakfast. Guys, breakfast is done. I got my coffee here and my avocado and eggs, a lot of onions. Thanks for watching, guys. One of my favorite things, I'm sitting in my living room, quiet, kids are not home, so I'm here enjoying my breakfast, and I'm about to watch some of my vlogs, and then I'll lay down, rest for like an hour, and then when I get up, it will be time to pick up the kids from school. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, okay?